If on your crochet journey you ended up buying a whole bunch of the standard streamlined crochet hooks because this was the most economical, it's a great place for you to start when you're just beginning your crochet journey. So you got a whole bunch of these and you're like, man, I think that I do need to have some kind of cushion. I need to go up to an ergonomic crochet hook, but what do I do with all these? Well, I have good news for you. These are not just a waste of money. You can get something called crochet hook grips or crochet hook sleeves, and they look like this, and they're not very much money too. So these are from Hobby Lobby. They're $1.49. See right there? Or you can get these off Amazon, or there's a lot of different places that you can get these. Here's the idea. You just slip your crochet hook into the sleeve and now you have that comfy grip. There are also online, I've seen some larger grips. So if you're somebody who really struggles with your grip, maybe you have carpal tunnel or you have some kind of issue with your hand where you just cannot get your hand to like fully grip, there are these giant sleeves that you can get that you can slip your crochet hook into. They will help you out. So if you are someone that needs those modifications, they are available out there. There are ways, and we can fix your crochet hooks so that it can accommodate you. So yay, you do not have to throw these away. There are things that you can do.